What's up, Infosphere fam? Ever wished you could automate your daily grind without writing a single line of code? This is zero-code automation, and it's a total game changer. Today, we're taking a deep dive into n8n. And the best part? While it often comes with a price tag, I'm going to show you how to unlock its full potential for absolutely free by hosting it yourself. Let's get into it. So, n8n is an incredibly powerful open-source automation tool. Think of it like Zapier or make.com, but with way more flexibility and, crucially, a free self-hosted option. It connects virtually any app or service you use, from Google Sheets to Slack to your own custom APIs, and lets them talk to each other, automating workflows that would normally take you hours. On their website, you'll see options for their cloud service, which is fantastic but comes with a subscription. For many, especially if you're just starting or managing personal projects, those monthly fees can add up. That's where the magic of self-hosting comes in. You get all the power, zero cost. All right, time to get hands-on. To run n8n locally, you'll first need node.js installed on your system. Once node.js is ready, open up your command prompt. We're going to install n8n globally, so you can access it from anywhere. Type this command. That's it. n8n is now chilling on your machine. To keep things fresh and updated with the latest features and bug fixes, you'll want to run this command occasionally. Always good to stay current. Now, to actually launch n8n, simply type n8n. See that prompt to press O to open in your browser? Do it. And just like that, you have a fully functional n8n instance running directly on your computer, ready to automate your world, no subscription required. Welcome to the n8n dashboard. This is where all your automation magic happens. It might look a little overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's super intuitive once you get the hang of it. You've got your workflow canvas in the middle. This is where you drag and drop your nodes to build your automation sequences. On the right, you'll find all your nodes. These are the building blocks representing different apps or functions. On the left, you have options for variables and templates, which are especially cool for getting started quickly with pre-built workflows. Okay, let's build something real to show you the power. We're going to create a simple workflow. Every time a new row is added to a specific Google Sheet, an email will automatically be sent to the Gmail in that row. Here's the setup. We start by adding a Google Sheets node and setting it as a trigger for when a row is added. I'll connect my Google account, select my sheet, which has name, phone number, and email columns, and tell n8n to watch for new rows every minute. Next, we'll add a Gmail node. This is where the email action happens. I'll connect my Gmail account, set the recipient email address from the Google Sheet email row by dragging and dropping it, and craft a simple subject and body. I'll use the data from the Google Sheet like the person's name directly in the email to make it personalized. Now that it's saved and active, let's test it. I'll go to my Google Sheet and add a new row with some dummy data. And boom, check my inbox. There it is. An email, automatically sent, confirming that a new row was added. This is just a basic example, but imagine the possibilities. Automated lead notifications, project updates, customer onboarding sequences, all handled in the background without you lifting a finger. So there you have it. N8. This tool isn't just about saving time. It's about unlocking your potential to do more and innovate faster. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into tech and productivity. Let me know in the comments what you plan to automate first. Peace out.